Good morning students. I am teaching them numbers from 6th standard portion. The topic is we are going to solve the exercise 1.1. Before we enter the exercise, we must know this two tabular column students. So what is that? The formation of large numbers. In the formation of large number, we are having the greatest one digit number and the smallest two digit number. What is the greatest one digit number? 9. The smallest two digit number? 10. Greatest two digit number is 99. The smallest three digit number is 100. The greatest three digit number is 999. The smallest four digit number is 1000. So corresponding we are having the still greatest 7 digit number and the smallest 8 digit number crores. So I have done most of the sums using this tabular column. That's why we must know this tabular column. And another one is the comparison of Indian system and the international system. In Indian system and international system, we are having the same digits, still the five place values. What is that? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, still 10,000, that the place value was not changed. Other than they are changing, that is in Indian system, if you have lakhs, in international system, that is 100,000. In Indian system, in 10 lakhs, that is equal to millions in the international system. In Indian system, if you have crores, that is equal to the 10 million in the international system. In Indian system, the 10 crores, that is equal to 100 million. The 100 crores, that is equal to 1 billion. The 1000 crores, that is equal to 10 billion. It is very, very important. Just to first 5 digits, no change. The other digits are different. So you must keep in mind. Then only we can do the exercise 1.1, because we are using most of the numbers I have done by using this two tabular column. So coming to the exercise 1.1, the smallest 7 digit number is, look the table. What is the smallest 7 digit number? 10 lakhs. So that's why I write 10 lakhs. How many zeros for 10 lakhs? We have 6 digit. The second one, the largest 8 digit numbers, we must keep in mind largest means 9. So largest means 9s. How many digits? 8 digits. That way I put 8 9s. So 999, 9999. First 8 9s. The place value of 5 in 70 lakhs, 5,380. What's the place value of 5? We can put the numbers in the place value chart. Then only we can easily say that the numbers 5 place on the 1000. That's why I said the place value of 5 is 1000. The expanded form, it can say also easy. If you place the numbers in the place value chart, we can easily say that. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 7 multiply with them 10,000, we get the 7 10 lakhs. So that is 7 into 10 lakhs. The second one, 6 into lakhs. How many zeros for lakhs? 5 zeros. Then 10,000. So 7 into 10,000. So how many zeros for 1000? 4. 10,000s 4. Okay. Then thousands not here. That's why I goes to the 9th one, 100 digits, that is 9. 9 into 100, 900. Tens also not given. So we can go to the next one. 5 1 is 5. So this is the expanded form. Okay. Then coming to the say true or false. The successor of one digit number is always a one digit number. Successor means when one is added to a number, we get the successor. So here the I explain through this example. I take 6. The successor of 6 is equal to, the 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. I take another one example, 9. The successor of 9 is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Look here the answers. Here I am having the 1 digit value. Then here also here is 2 digit value. From this we can say that the 1 digit value, the successor of a 1 digit value may or may not be a 1 digit or 2 digit. That's why we can say that the statement is false. Okay. Then the predecessor. Predecessor means when one is subtracted from a given numbers, we get the predecessors. So the said the producer of a 3-digit number is always 3 or 4-digit number. So this also I explained through these two examples. I take 999. The producer of 999 is 998. This is the 3-digit number. Then one more example. The producer of 100 is equal to 99. From this we can say that the producer may or may not be 2 or 3 digits. So that's why we can say that the statement is false. Then Indian system of the numeration, the numbers 6799907 So in Indian system, we should put the commas first 3 digits from right to left and then two digits. That's why they are given. So the statement is true. So then fourth one, expanded form. Here ones digit, tens digit, 100 digit, 1000 digit, 10,000 digits are given. So we can write easily in the expanded form. The first one is 10,000. So 8 is multiplied with the 10,000. So we get the 8,000. The second one is 8 multiplied with the 1,000. That term is not given here. And then they goes to the 100 place. So 8 into 100, 8,000. So next number 8 into 10, 8,000. So and ones digit is 8 into 1, 8 ones are 8. Here one term is missing. That's why we can say that the statement is false. What is the missing statement? Missing terms 8 into 1000. They are missing the 8,000. So we can say that the expanded form is not true. Coming to the next one, how many 10,000 are there in the smallest 6-digit number? So already I told you, you must know these two tables column. What is the smallest 6-digit number? Lakhs. Okay. So how many thousands are there in the smallest 6-digit number? In the 6-digit number, we are having them 5 zeros. We are having 5 zeros. In 1000, we are having 3 zeros. So they are asking in 10,000 we are having 4 zeros. They said how many 10,000 in 1 lakh. So we must to find the division of the two numbers. In numerator we put the bigger numbers, that is 1 lakh. In denominator we should put the 10,000. What is 10,000? The 1 lakhs divided by 10,000. How many zeros are 1 lakh? We have 5 zeros for 1 lakhs and 4 zeros for 10 lakhs. Dividing the numerator and denominator. So 4 places to the left of 10,000. So from this we can say the number of 10,000 in 1 lakhs is equal to 10,000. So that is the answer. The next one. Coming to the next one. Observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. From this we can say that it is the Indian system because they put the commas after the 3 digit from right to left and then put the two digits. From this we say it is the Indian system. So the numbers are placed on the place value chart. Then only we can say that the place value of 7 is equal to 10 lakhs. Then in here we observe the commas. They are putting 3 digits after them every interval from right to left. So we can say that it is the international system. The numbers placed on the place value chart. Then we can say that the place value of 7 is equal to 1 million. The fifth one, write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. So we put the international system. How can you put the commas in international system? Every number should put 3 digits after every respective groups. That's why I putting from right to left 3 after the 3 digit putting comma. So like this way. Okay. First 3 digit, then again 3 digit. Here the millions have only 1 digit. That's why I write like this way. So here also every digits having every 3 digits having every groups having the commas after 3 digits. So 3 digits I put the commas. Then final one also having the same method, we put the comma after the respective groups. What are the groups? The three numbers having the ones group, and the next from right to left, the next three numbers having a thousand group, the next three numbers having the millions group, the next one is billion. So we put the commas our three digits after respecting the group in the international system. The next one, write the largest 6-digit number and put commas in the Indian and the international system. Students, I said you, what is the largest 6-digit number? That the 6-digit number is, we put, keep in mind the largest mean 9. So we put 6 nines in this place, we get 999, and then again 3 9, we get in Indian system 9,99,999. The same number we can say in the international system 999,999. Okay. Coming to this next 7th one, write the numbers name Indian system. You know the tabular column of Indian system, we can easily say that. So first you place the numbers in the place value chart and tell them group value. What will you say the numbers and group value? Here, look here, the place value chart. First say the number 75, the group is lakhs. So 75 lakhs. Here they say the numbers 34. What is the group here? 1000. So 34,000. Here as usual you can read this 105. That is the Indian system. So the 75 lakhs 34,105, which is the answer. You can see that the next one we are putting the 3 digits comma from right to left and then put 2 digits. That's why it is the Indian system. That's why I make the tabular column in the Indian system, that is ones, thousands, lakhs, groups. First you read the numbers first. 9 crores having only one digit only. That's why I say 9 crores. And then read the numbers 75 and put the groups lakhs. So 75 lakhs. Again read the number 63 and put the group 1000, and then it is as usual 453. So 9 crores 75 lakhs 63,453. That is the answer. Coming to the 8th one, write the numbers in international system. In the previous sum we saw the Indian system, that in this sum we write the international system. In international system we must put the commas after respective groups. Here also having 3 digits comma. We put the comma should be 3 digits. After every digits having 3 digits, put the commas after 3 digits. So I put the first 3 digits having ones group, the next 3 digits having thousands group. We can read the numbers first. We should read the numbers first. 345, their group is 1000. So 345,000. It is as usual like Indian system. So 678. So the answer is 345,678. That's all. Okay, then next one, here also having we have 3 groups, that is ones, thousands and million. In million we are having a ones digit only, tens and hundreds are not given. So you can easily say that, read the number first 8 million, then say the group. Read the number first and say the groups, preceding groups. So 8 millions 343,710 ones. It is as usual. The last 3 digits are same in Indian system and international system. Okay. Then coming to the next one. So here having the ones group, thousand groups, millions group. First read the numbers first. 103 millions 456,789. So that's I write 103 millions 456,781. So coming to the 9th one, write the numbers name in the numerals. last previous two sums, they are given the numbers. We are writing the number names. Here they given the number names, we should write the numerals, that is numbers. So it is also very easy. Read the questions. 2 crores 30 lakhs 51,980. From this we can say that it is the Indian system. Suddenly you can make the Indian system place value chart. That's why I make ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. Put the numbers in the tabular column. Crore having the ones digit only, not here the tenth digit. That's why I put 2. Here read the 30 lakhs. So here we having the ones and tens. So we can put the digits like this. Then 51,000. Thousands also having the ones digit and tens digits. So we can write 51 in 1000. So the final one as usual 980. Then we can put the bracket, we can put the commas after respective groups. We can write the numerals 2 crores 30 lakhs 51,980. So similarly we can read this question 66,345,027. From this we can say that it is the international system. So arrange the tabular column in like international system. From this we get ones place, ones group, thousands group, millions group. Read the question 66 millions. 100 million is not here. So you should put the ones and tens. So 66 millions. Then read the next 345. Here we having the thousands, the ones, tens, 100. 3 columns are having. That's why we put 345,000. And final one is as usual. Here is 100 is not given. Look here, mom. In international system, in this sums, we are not having the hundreds place. We are not in 100 place. That's why I put in 100 place 0. 27 represent the ones digit and the tens digit. That is 2 and 7. So how can you read 66 millions and then put the commas, ma'am, and then put the commas after respective group. So that's why I write the numerals 66,345,027. Okay. Then coming to the second sum, 713,456. So we can say that from this it is also a international system. So make the place value chart like in international system. So I can arrange the 3 groups, that is ones group and then thousands group and millions group. Now we read the questions again. 789. So 789, they are given 100 digits, tens digit, ones digit. 3 digits are given in millions. So I can put the numbers in the tabular column 789. Read the second statement, second line 213. So here also they are given ones, tens, 100 in the 1000 group. So that's why I put the 213. Then final one as usual 456. That is 456 and put the commas after the 3 digits respective groups. That is we can write the numerals 789 millions 213,456. That's all. Okay. Coming to the next one, the word problem. Tamil Nadu has about, underline the numbers, 26,345 square kilometer of forest land. In Tamil Nadu, we are having this. How much of forest land is here? They are if they are asking, we can say that 26,345 square kilometer of forest land in Tamil Nadu. So write the numbers mentioned in the statement in Indian system and international system. You look here having the 10,000. So already I told you in Indian system and international system, if you have less than 5 digits or equal to 5 digits in Indian system and Western system. Both are same. I told in the starting. So I told in the starting ma. So that's why I write the Indian system and the international system. Here having a 26,345, that is the 5 digit number. So we can say that in Indian system and international system both are having the same number. So Indian system also have 26,346, international system also 26,346. Why? Because we are having the 5 digit numbers. In 5 digit number or less than 5 digit number, the Indian system and international system number names no change. Okay, then coming to the 11th one, the number of employees in the Indian Railway is about 10 lakhs. How much? About 10 lakhs. Write this in the international system. Look here, man. So, in 10 lakhs, how can you read in international system? In 10 lakhs, we can read 100,000. That is their, sorry, in 10 lakhs, sorry, 10 lakh, in lakhs, they are asking, in lakhs, we can say that 100,000 in international system, they are given 10 lakhs. That's why we can say that the 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. So that is this question answer is what 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. So for this question I am using this tabular column. So 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. So they are asking 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, how can you write in international system? 10 lakhs can be written in the international system be 1 million. So 10 lakhs having 60, 1 million having 60. But we are saying 10 lakhs in Indian system. So 1 million is in international system. Or you understand? Then going to the objective type question. The successor of 10 million is dash. They are given 4 option ma. Look here. I explained this question through this. The sums. Successor of 10 million. What is the successor? When 1 is added to a given number, we get the successor. What are they given? 10 million. In 10 million, how many digits, how many zeros are having? In 10 million, we are having 7 digits. We are having 7 zeros. So, the 1 is added with 10 million. We are getting 10 million and 1. So, the correct answer is option B. In between, we are having 6 digits. The first number 1, the last number also 1. In between, we are having a 6 zeros. That is 10 million and 1. Okay. Coming to the next one, the difference between the successor and predecessor of 99,999. They are given 4 options. So, I have worked these sums. The successor of 99,999 equal to 1 lakh. Okay, the successor of 9. The successor means when 1 is added to a given number, the given number is 99,909. So when you add 1 with 99,999, we get 1 lakh. So the predecessor means when 1 is subtracted from the given number, we get the predecessors. So that is 99,998. We are asking difference. What is the difference between 1 lakh and 99,998? That is 2. So the answer is 2. The given option. What answer we choose? I choose option C. That is the answer 2. Coming to the next one. 1 billion is equal to dash. Our choice is 100 crores, 100 million, 100 lakhs, then lakhs, 10,000 lakhs. Look here, ma. Choose the 1 million here. 1 million equal to dash in Indian system. So 1 million is 100 crores in Indian system. That's why we can say that 1 million is equal to 100 crores. That is the answer. The options equal to, we choose the option A. This is the expanded form. I am not writing the choice. They are given 4 choices. I am not writing the choices. I write only the answer here, ma'am. So, how can you write the expanded form? This number 6,70,905. 6 into 5 zeros. 7 into 4 zeros. 0 into 3 zeros. 9 into 2 zeros plus. In between we should put the plus, ma'am. So, 9 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So, I write 6 into lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 into 10,000, 70,000. So, here 1000 is not given. So, that's why I didn't write. Then 9 into 100, 900. 10s also not given. So 5 ones, 5 into 1, 5 ones. The correct option is option D. So if you have any doubt, ask to me, mom. When at time daily you have asked any questions if you have doubt. So 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay. Thank you.